Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best, most powerful cordless drills you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many most powerful cordless drills and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each most powerful cordless drills so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a most powerful cordless drill. First, check the drill's voltage and torque because they directly affect drilling power and performance. Look for brushless motors as they provide more efficiency, less heat, and longer lifespan. Battery capacity is another important factor. Higher ampere ratings mean longer run times and fewer recharges. Also, pay attention to the charging speed, especially if you use the drill frequently. Comfort and grip design matter too, since a well-balanced and ergonomic drill reduces fatigue during long projects. Finally, consider extra features like adjustable speed settings, LED lights, and reliable warranties that ensure long-term use and support. By evaluating these elements carefully, you can choose a cordless drill that delivers strong performance and durability for any task. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.